JoJo deals, we been trapping like the 80s.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Marafan. My apologies for not uploading last night. It's because my tongue was a bit burnt and I couldn't really talk like yesterday. Like I could talk, but I couldn't mumble. So after putting medicine on, I feel a little bit better. But hopefully it recovers. But I'm in the mood to talk today. Today we're gonna be playing Bullet Blast Blizzard, and hopefully we get the secret exit. I think this was where I made the H tongue twister. Hati has hands. I forgot. I remember it started with Hati has hands, and that's it. It was all H because I begin with an H. There's a certain friend also begin with an H that I used to hang out with. That me and my friend Campbell knew. Anyway, I couldn't even record anything in Campbell's pool party because I didn't want to record the Nana, but it's okay. Anyway, we're gonna get the secret exit. Hopefully I can get it. I'm not gonna do any spoilers because Royal Super Mario does do a lot of spoilers on everything. I want to get everything myself and figure stuff out. No tutorial help. I didn't even expect the secret exit. Okay, here's the plan. I'm just gonna... Unfortunately, that's not the secret exit. Wait, what? What was that? What was that? Okay, this is not showing the correct button, but... Okay, I can hear it, but I can't really... Oh, there it is! I was actually putting it on my channel. Yo. Are you kidding me? I lost again, come on. I swear, there's supposed to be a secret exit over here. How am I supposed to get inside this pipe? I like how they exclude the secret exit, you know? I mean, it is truly a secret, so... Or maybe this is the secret exit. You just gotta go in here and then there's a secret exit. What game was this, by the way? Unfortunately, I couldn't find the secret exit, so I'm gonna have to like be a buttercup and, you know. What is going on here? I am right here. I won't give up yet. I'm just gonna find the mod that was just playing. Okay, let me research it. I'm gonna pause record this and I'll come right back. Okay, it's time to follow the dude's lead, obviously, so let's get it. Let's go walk in. So let's play the first part as normal, obviously. Collect the mushroom. Oh god, the heat smells like the whole rice, trust me. So this guy forgot the checkpoint. It was in here? Definitely not. Oh! So there's a hidden platform here, and I just go in there, and then the secret exit. So the guy didn't get a 1-up. I'm gonna get the 1-up.
This way.
See what I mean? Watching these tutorials help me. I'm telling you, these secret exits are a W. So while I can talk a little bit, I can only mumble slightly. Hopefully it goes back to normal so I don't have to mumble.